In Spain, it's very easy to have support if you are entrepreneur or if you have one startup. In every region of Spain, the regional government have one program to support entrepreneurs. What they will offer you? Training for free, mentoring and coaching service, consulting service, and even so, sometimes, financial support. But even beyond this, in Spain, in all provinces, you will find chambers of commerce or business associations that also develop their own training program and their own support program, giving you guiding and mentoring to be entrepreneur, to develop your business on their environment. If you think about this in a national level, you also will find national programs and public bodies that will support you in very specific ways. For example, Red.es will support you if you try to develop one digital new business. Or if you go to ICEX, is one Spanish public body that will support you from a financial point of view. And if you go to your council or to local public bodies, they usually can offer you local entrepreneur programs linked with the local economy and the local environment, trying to support you from a financial point of view, but mainly with training and consulting service. How they used to support you is very simple. There are two usual ways. First, you have to explain your idea and they will offer you one expert as reference to guide you in all the process, and in parallel you will find training opportunities for free linked with being an entrepreneur in general. Another way to support you is when you will find one sectoral association or one specific program to support entrepreneurs and startups in one specific field. For example, if you want to be digital entrepreneur and you find one program to support them, or for example, Red.es activities, they will offer you one way to learn how to do things in a general way, offering you mentoring and supporting you